If you've been watching this series with Krista, we're launching her YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to show you how to set up a YouTube studio, how you really take any space and turn it into a studio space. Okay, so we're going to switch over to this camera, and before I do or hand the camera to Alicia, I just want to show you that Alicia has been behind this camera right here. So you can actually go ahead and stop that camera.
Okay.
Now let me grab this. Actually, go ahead and stay there. So first I want to show the audio, and then I'm going to pick up this mic and walk around with it so we have good audio. So in order to take any type of space and turn it into a studio, which you have a professional studio, but this is just an Airbnb, and in order to take a space like this and turn it into a studio, my definition on that is just that you can control stuff. You can control your lighting, you can control your audio, and you have a good background. And so this is now for today, it's my video studio. So let me grab this here. So come with me, Krista. Let's just come back this way. So this is going to be a little bit weird on camera. The lighting on this is now going to be opposite. So I'm curious, in your professional studio, is this lighting familiar to you? Is it new to you?
Oh, sure.
Yeah? Very cool.
Yeah, to have a white screen and then, some spots.
Cool. I like hearing that because I haven't really... I learned this type of lighting from a beauty photography and what they do to kind of get balanced lighting and whatnot, but I've never actually studied videography and filming and anything like that. But what we've got here is we've got these in this case, these are ice lights, but we shine it back. I don't even know if you can see that too well on the camera, but we shine it back so it reflects and it's really soft. We've got another ring light right here, just because my other ice lights are being filmed with another client today, but we just have light being reflected back so that it eliminates all shadows and provides good lighting. And then the lens that we're using on the camera has a really wide aperture. It's a 1.4, which what that means is it can blur the background really easy. So when we're sitting in the chairs, it focuses on our faces and it blurs the background. And then for audio, you see I'm now holding this mic, but during our episodes we have it above head, just out of the shot, so that it picks up our voices. So in your studio, do most of your clients do a one camera shoot, or they do multiple camera shoots?
It depends on the need, for sure, but definitely we like to have at least two cameras so that you have an A and B roll and always a boom.
And we're going to talk about in another episode why I intentionally only use one camera for most shoots, and I'm interested to hear your opinion on that.
Okay.
But this is as simple as it is. I mean, this space that we're in here is an Airbnb. Found something. I mean, show the brickwork again, or the bookshelf. I found pictures online on Airbnb and just saw, oh, this place has a lot of character more than just white walls. We're going to change the setting in a minute, and we're going to aim this direction. So it's white, but it's got character, and then by bringing in our own lights, audio, camera, and reflectors, we just turn any space into a studio. My hope is that this video was helpful, not intimidating. If it was intimidating, you can go much simpler. You can actually get away with filming with the camera that's on your phone, really good camera. And if you don't have any lighting yet, what you do is you face a window and have the light coming in and put the camera right here, and just things like that will make a big difference in your videos. And yeah, your bedroom, your living room, your kitchen, it can easily be a studio. Just control the lighting, control the sound. So my filming assistant Alicia had a good recommendation. She suggested sharing the tip of finding a space that doesn't have a lot of echo. So big spaces usually have a whole lot of echo. Spaces like this, there's a rug on the floor, there's a couch right there, there's curtains, and so that absorbs a lot of echo. Sometimes I've set up a studio and realized, man, there's terrible echo in here. So I've got some of that sound foam to just put on the walls in some places. One tip though, if you're bald and you put sound foam on the ceiling, it puts a shadow on your head. So don't put it on the ceiling, leave the ceiling white. Okay. There you go. Hopefully enjoyed this episode. In the next one, I'm going to be talking specifically about 1 camera, 2 camera, 3 camera, actually demonstrating it and explaining the pros and cons and when you should use each. Talk to you then.